In this quadrant, which we're in the C5, C6 area, there might be an issue up in the C5, C6 in the next.
It's about helping patients. It's about elevating the physical therapy profession. It's time for diagnostics in physical therapy.
Supraspinatus, right here. Most commonly torn of the rotator cuff.
We can get it fixed, we can get it solved, we can make it better, we can improve it with diagnostic tests and get it known as to what these are and what the benefit is. Period. It's time to do it.
And now we see the motor units. Those are motor units firing across the screen.
What we do, we give you the blueprint. You will learn from us not only how to perform those tests, but how to market those tests out there, how to increase awareness in the public that you are capable of delivering testing that will help that public to get better faster.
Hands-On Diagnostics is an organization that helps physical therapists establish diagnostic centers, HADS-approved diagnostic centers, in conjunction with their physical therapy facilities.
I need to get an MSKUS. I want to see what's going on in there, because if you have a partial tear, it can turn into a full rupture.
Adding diagnostics, it is an extension of who we are. It's a no-brainer.
This is a new thing. This is like new technology that if you introduce it to your community, you will get attention, you will increase your referrals, and you're going to make more money, is kind of the bottom line from a financial viewpoint.
Without something like HADS, if you're a regular mom and pop physical therapy clinic just with one bucket of trying to do physical therapy, you will not survive in the current market.
Profit margins only with physical therapy are somewhere between 10 to 12%. Putting HADS in the equation can increase the profit margins to 25%, 40% or more in some cases. It's not only about making money, which you do. It's about really helping patients and elevating the profession to a totally different level of professional autonomy, professional competence.
Is it going to be hard? Maybe. Is it going to be easy? Maybe. But the point is, hard or easy, we're going to be next to you, helping you all along the way to make it, as successful as possible for you. So that's what the franchise does. We're here for you and with you for a better future, for you and for us, of course.
It's a complete game changer for physical therapy, without a doubt. It already is, and as it expands, there'll be more.
HADS is really healing hands guided by technology.
Every physical therapy office to do diagnostics. That's our goal. I want all physical therapists to really be able to utilize what they're made for.